Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be fixing my feet. I'm warning you. Close up. Oh. I know they're so bad. My butterflies are chipping. The nail polish is coming off. I want to say I had these on for like a month, but have no fear. We're going to fix it. Okay, so from the title of the video, you know I'm doing an express pedicure, so I'm not going to do the whole soaking with the sea salt. I'm literally just wetting my foot, getting it nice and clean with my little, it's like an exfoliator bar of soap. I had it in my last video, so I'm literally just washing my foot, making sure it's nice and clean and soft, and then I'm going to rinse this off. I'm taking my drill bit. This is a fine... I guess it's like a fine drill nail bit. It's like having a nail file, but it's like the medium grit. So it's like a medium grit bit from my e-file, and I was just taking off the nail polish. Once I did that, I went in with this Bella intensive foot sock mask. I know I just like stuttered, but it's a foot sock mask. You just take it out. It's like $3 at Target. Super awesome. And what you have to do is, it looks like a little booty for like Christmas. You have to open up the top. Now the instructions say you could either cut it or rip it open. Me being me, of course, I just ripped it open. So I ripped it open. I slid it on my foot. It was very interesting as far as like the feeling goes because it's wet on the inside. So I'm just kind of spreading that all over my foot just to give it a chance to soak in, and you leave it on for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna hit start, wait my 20 minutes, and within that time, because it's like an express, you can do whatever it is you got to do. You don't have to like sit in the water or anything. And then I'm going to slowly remove that, and whatever liquid is on your foot, you just kind of push it into the skin, and pretty much your pedicure is like halfway done right at this point. Like all you have to do is like the nail part. So I'm just rubbing in the moisturizer, whatever was in here, to help soften my feet. And yes, I know my feet are not the prettiest, but you know, when they're done, they're tolerable. I do not take the hair off of the big toe, so if that's something that you want to do, I suggest doing it now. I'm just a big baby and I don't feel like it. So my feet are nice and moisturized. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, you know, groom the toenails per se. So I like to get them nice and straight, make them shorter so you know you're not putting holes in your socks or anything. So that's what I'm doing here, and I did it with all of my feet. One of my toes, I actually think this is the toe. I went too far and it was too short for me. Like I like it to have a little bit of length for like my shoes, and I don't know, it's just the way I like for mine to look. So I'm taking some of this gel soak off, which is pretty much acetone. It's like a fancy acetone. I got it from Walmart for like $2 or $3. So I'm just using that to take off any moisture from my toenails because I want my nail polish to last. So right here, yes, I'm a dork, and I've taken all of my gel polishes and put them on little sticks so that I can see what color is what. So this day I wanted to do yellow, and I couldn't decide if I wanted to do a bright yellow or like this canary yellow, but I really liked I was feeling the canary at that point. So of course, since I'm doing gel polish, I'm going to start off by coating my nails with the base coat. My nails have already been buffed, and you know, all the moisture has been taken off. This will just help your gel polish last longer. And now I'm going in with my Model 1's neon yellow. This is a really pretty yellow, and if you watched my yellow nail video, you'll know that this is the yellow that I used for my hands. They match, so, and I'm the type of person, I love my hands and my feet to match. So when I did my hands, they're not done in this video, but when I did do my hands, I had already done my pedicure, and this is pretty much like how it came out. So right now I am just cleaning up the edges using a little bit of acetone and a gel brush to get it nice and sharp, and then I go in with my second coat after curing for 30 seconds. And I'm just trying to make this as neat as possible. With the yellow, it kind of looked strange at first, but once I was done, it was like, you know, A1, it worked. So I know you guys are all thinking like, girl, what is up with you in these nail videos? I've actually really been enjoying doing them. They're a lot of fun. And I don't know, like, if you guys like it, please let me know down in the comments. I'm trying to become more engaging. I don't know. I just hope you guys like it. I don't really know what to say. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed.